Welcome to this Homeschool Prehistoric Mathematics History Timeline Unit Study demonstration for homeschool families. Hi, I'm Gloria Brooks, founder of Nature Glow's eScience, an online math and science course platform for homeschool kids ages 8 to 18. I'm also a relaxed homeschool and unschool parent coach. So welcome. Let's dive in. But before we do, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more relaxed homeschool math and science goodness. Awesome. Hey, let's jump in here, starting with from 35,000 BCE, the Lebombo bone from Swaziland, Africa. This is really cool because it's the oldest known mathematical artifact. It's a baboon's fibula bone used as a tally stick with 29 notches that were intentionally cut into it. It resembles the calendar sticks still used by Namibian Bushmen today. Fun fact, I actually visited Windhoek, Namibia back in 2009, and it's an absolutely gorgeous country. Very arid. I remember my skin just dried like it's never dried before. Take a big container of coconut oil if you ever go to Namibia in winter especially. So where was the Lebombo bone discovered? Within the border cave in the Lebombo Mountains in Swaziland, Africa. And here we go with our geography unit study connection. Here we have the Lebombo Mountains of Swaziland. So let's have a zoom in there. Here you can see the global view of where Swaziland is right there circled in blue. There's the continent of Africa. And then here we have the enlarged view of the continent of Africa. And then let me use my other pointer finger here. There in blue is the Lebombo Mountains where the bone was found. Awesome. Next we come up to the wolf bone, which was found which was dropped on the ground sometime between 28,000 to 25,000 BC. Now I realize that there may be some young Earth worldviews. You'll have to tally the dates accordingly. But these are the dates that the archaeologists use. So that's what I'm using here in the presentation. But you can always talk to your kids about, what the approximate dates may be for your young Earth worldview beliefs. Here we have the Czech Republic in dark green, where the wolf bone was found in 1937. All right, next up we have 20,000 BCE, the first Ishango bone. Pretty awesome. So this is a dark brown baboon fibula. It's a bone with a sharp piece of quartz affixed at the end there. Let's go ahead and zoom in. All right, so it's believed that that sharp piece of quartz at that tip end was perhaps used for carving other bones. Some archaeologists believe it was used as a tally stick, and it consists of a series of marks carved in 3 columns running the length of the bone, which you can clearly see here. Common interpretations are that the Ishango bone shows either a tally of the earliest known demonstration of sequences of prime numbers or a 6-month lunar calendar. All right, next up we have a little example here. A pictorial view of the notches found on the Ishango bone. And it's believed that it was used as a counting tool for simple mathematical operations. So let's have a closer look here. So we have 19 notches plus 17 notches plus 13 notches plus 11 notches equals 60 notches. All right, so homeschool kids can just go ahead and draw those notches in a notebook. You can make a drawing of the Ishango bone. So very cool connections there between history, mathematics, and even art. How awesome is that? All right, next we come to what archaeologists call column B. So column B's notches add up to 48. And there they are. If you want to pause this video and write that in a notebook for families that are following along with this, using it as a lesson, that's perfectly very cool if you want to do that. All right, and then we come up to column C, which adds up to 60. So let's look at those notches as well. So there they all are. If you want to pause that and jot that down in your journal, you can do that. All right, so now we come to literature connection. So you can, as a family, write fun and creative stories about how the bone notches were made, you know, from the tally bones that we've just looked at together. As far as a theater connection, for theater, you and your family can act out how each of the bones' notches were made and how they were discovered. This could be really a lot of fun. All right. And as far as an art and math connection, you and your family can collect sticks and make them into prehistoric tally bones, thus mimicking what the prehistoric people did with them. You can take an artistic step forward by painting these sticks after you've put the notches in them. You can either paint them before or after you put the notches in. I'm kind of thinking if you paint them before you put the notches on, then when you put the notches in, you'll see the color of the stick. And if it's a really light colored stick, the notches will really stand out. So you can experiment with that. Okay. And then what you can do is have a little house museum display of your notched tally sticks representing the different bones. Okay. So I invite you to check out the description below, homeschool parents, to some very helpful links and a free unit study planner that can help you do this prehistoric math timeline with your kids. And I will be adding more timeline unit studies to my channel soon. So please be sure to check out my math history timeline playlist. Hit that bell next to the subscribe button so that you'll be the first to hear when I release the next homeschool math and science video. Want more living math lessons connecting math with the rest of your academics? Click the link to my Math Learning Secrets guide below in the description. It's a short read helping you liberate your homeschool from academic math drudgery through fun and real-life connections, just like I've showed you today with this prehistoric math timeline. So click the link for the Math Learning Secrets e-guide, and I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the videos at the end of this watch right now. Thanks for watching. Gloria Brooks here with Nature Glow's eScience, and I hope to see you on the inside of Math Learning Secrets. Bye for now.